So in this video, I want to go over the release version 1.0. The name is not yet set in stone. Like, this is a placeholder name. There are good and bad points why we should use version 1.0. But basically, I'm going over this planning phase just to map out, let's say, our next week to be efficient with what we are doing and hopefully finish this in a couple of days instead of like prolonging it for more than a week. So this is what I come up. Our last release was on February 18th. It was version 0.5. And based on my planning today, the next release would be on August 1st. And the proposed tag is version 1.0. The reason for that is I think we have hit a point in Operatively where we can say that it is stable for everyday use. We have proved that some companies are using it and they are happy with it. So yeah, could be a good point to advertise that we are actually at that point. Of course, we will still add new features, but this is what we have now. And based on our project history, so let's say the work map was very useful for this. I collected all the projects that we have finished in the last 22 weeks since February 18th and collected them like this. And basically we have the work map, new goal page, project discussions, quick add, and a new about page, and some enhancements like new project statuses, simplified creation of goals, project check-ins, improved goal check-ins, and so on. Originally, contextual dates were part of this release, but as I was pruning out stuff, like especially here, down here, what we need to do, I decided to actually move it to the next release that hopefully we would do in September 1st. And as I have covered this, I would cover this as well. So since today, so this is not actually 6 weeks between this and this, but starting from today, we have like 6 weeks until September 1st. And I had just a brief conversation with Marco, but we have pinpointed that like these set of things would be amazing if we could hit it by September 1st. So these are like LLM-based agents, the completion of contextual dates, the new project page with tasks. This is seems like a big thing, but all the UI is ready, so it is, let's say, just the integration with the backend, which should hopefully be faster than any other project that we were working on, and the checklist for targets. This is a tight squeeze for 6 weeks, but I have high hopes that we can actually do it because contextual dates are on the way. We have a good base for agents and good base for projects. So this is the only thing that is like completely untouched. But we'll see. Maybe we can make something from it. So just based on this, I collected some stuff to what we need to work on. Let's say to make this release a reality. So the big thing in development is that our release pipeline is currently broken. I think that we broke it somewhere with the introduction of Vite in April, and I was prolonging fixing it because we were not releasing anything. So this is somewhere stuck. We need to figure out what is the problem. So this is a blob that has an unknown size, but hopefully it's a day work of fix or less. And then we can make the release. Scrolling through the website and the documentation. So we need to update the screenshots. Not a lot of them, but we need to do that. We need to write a new blog post. And there are a lot of work in the documentation section. Not sure how to organize this to be faster, but it's there. The next piece of work is the video production, which is like the usual stuff. But again, we need to keep in mind that the last time we did it was in February, so we are not so ready to do this as we hope, and to update the socials. So this is just a very quick recap of this. Hopefully tomorrow morning we will touch upon all of these things with Marco, both the short term, like how to release this, and maybe how to organize about who would write this, who did this, how to do this, do we need something extra to achieve this, and also to touch upon the timeline and how to tackle, and like how can we better prepare for the upcoming 6 weeks to, let's say, not waste time, and then to actually release all of these things at once. So yeah, that's a very short video, but yeah, let me know your feedback.